The expedition to destroy Manat. This took place in Ramadan, the 8th year after Hijrah, by the shore of the Red Sea in Qudayd. There are discrepancies regarding who was sent by the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, amongst Abu Sufyan, Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Sa'd, may Allah be pleased with them. When he reached Qudayd and advanced to destroy the idol, there was initial opposition from the locals, but still succeeded, after which the companion and their convoy returned to the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. The expedition to destroy Uzzah. There was an expedition of Hazrat Khalid bin Walid, may Allah be pleased with him, towards Nakhla in Ramadan 8 AH. The convoy comprised 30 men under the leadership of Khalid bin Walid, may Allah be pleased with him, and was tasked with destroying the idol called Uzzah, which was the most prominent idol of the Quraysh. It is recorded that when news of Khalid bin Walid's, may Allah be pleased with him, imminent arrival was received, the caretaker of Uzzah hung a sword on the idol and fled to the mountains, whilst praying to Uzzah to fight against Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him. When Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, reached there, he and his men destroyed the idol house of Uzzah. When he returned, the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, asked him if he had seen anything significant, to which he responded that he had not. Upon this, the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said that he had not in fact destroyed the idol Uzzah, and that he should return in order to do so. Hence, Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, and his convoy went back, and as the caretakers saw him, they again prayed to Uzzah for Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, to be destroyed. As he arrived, Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, was reciting couplets, which meant that he rejected Uzzah, and that he was a witness to Allah destroying it. When all of this was relayed to the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, he said that Uzzah would no longer be worshipped anywhere. The expedition to destroy Sava. The expedition of Hazrat Amr bin Alas, may Allah be pleased with him, took place in Ramadan 8 AH. The ideal Sava resembled a woman, and people would circle around this idol. This idol had also been mentioned in the Holy Quran, and they say to one another, "Forsake not your gods under any circumstances, and forsake neither Vad nor Suva, nor Yaghuth, nor Ya'uq and Nasr." The Holy Quran, chapter 71, verse 24. It is recorded that the same idols that existed at the time of Noah, peace be upon him, also existed in Arabia, and were named after noble men from the time of Noah, may peace be upon him. When Hazrat Amr bin Alas, may Allah be pleased with him, reached the idol Safa, its caretaker was sure that somehow he would be stopped by the idol. However, Hazrat Amr, may Allah be pleased with him, advanced and destroyed the idol. Upon seeing his idol destroyed, the caretaker accepted that there is one God and accepted Islam. The expedition of Hazrat Khalid bin Walid, may Allah be pleased with him. This took place in Shawwal 8 AH. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, sent him towards the Banu Jazima with the instructions to invite them to Islam and with the instruction not to fight with them. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid, may Allah be pleased with him, set out with 350 men, and upon arriving there, he found the people prepared to fight. Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, asked them to lay down their arms, and when they did, they were taken prisoner, as their intentions were unclear at the time. Then, later, the people of Banu Jazima did not declare their acceptance of Islam, but only declared that they were leaving their faith. This only cast further doubt. When this news reached the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, he asked whether someone had not refuted Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, who instructed the prisoners to be killed despite having accepted Islam initially. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, was saddened, and he said he had not sent Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, to kill them, but rather he had sent him to invite them to Islam. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, prayed to God, saying he was not party to what Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, had done. He then expressed his displeasure to Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, for his actions and his haste. And later, the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, sent Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, to pay the blood money of any prisoner who was killed. Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, returned to the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, and reported that everything, even the smallest of things, was returned to the Bani Jazima, and any leftover wealth was also given to them. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, was pleased about this and commended Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him. This expedition was also a fulfillment of a dream of the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, in which he saw that he was eating something called hais, and initially it seemed good. However, he began choking on it, at which point Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, came and saved the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, from choking in the dream. Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, interpreted this dream to mean that the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, would send an expedition with a good purpose, but it would cause disappointment, and Hazrat Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, would then be sent to fix the matter. His Holiness, may Allah be his helper, presented various references highlighting the details of this incident, and said that this was clearly not Hazrat Khalid's, may Allah be pleased with him, intention. Rather, this is a mistake in the judgment and a lapse which resulted in this incident taking place. When the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, had the matter investigated, he determined that rather than equal retribution, it was more appropriate for the blood money to be paid. Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, offered his apology. The Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, forgave him, and a short while later appointed Hazrat Khalid, may Allah be pleased with him, as the leader of the contingent in the Battle of Hunain. Under the leadership of Hazrat Hisham bin Alas, may Allah be pleased with him, led 200 men towards Yalamlam. There was also the expedition of Urana, under the leadership of Hazrat Khalid bin Saud bin Alas, with 300 men. These expeditions are not widely recorded, and so their authenticity is unclear. His Holiness, may Allah be his helper, said that these incidents make clear that the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, never resorted to harshness, nor did he instruct for people to be killed during the expeditions, as some enemies of Islam allege. Rather, the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, would express great displeasure if something of this nature took place, even by mistake.